Do you want to abduct your visitors' attention with eye-grabbing whiteboard video animations? Do you want your video to be liked, viewed, shared, without breaking the bank? You can engage your viewers' attention, skyrocket your conversions, effectively promote your business, product, or service, which means more money in your wallet. Exclusively on Fiverr.com. Just give me your audio script and I'll turn it into a compelling whiteboard video animation. I might add text, drawings, characters, and even images. I can even make it a blackboard video if you'd like. Or maybe you prefer a green board. I can even make a glass board animation for you. Just tell me what you need and I can make it happen. Check out my packages or message me and tell me about your project.